Hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. Quant tries to extend to the upside even further. I have left the support area the same levels that were already communicated in the last video. As I said to you before, it could very well be that QNT's correction was over here on the 26th of May. A very important level that needs to be broken to confirm that further is the $128 level. By the way, it's already the 2nd of June, isn't it? Let's just change that. Time is running. That is a very important level that needs to be broken. And it could be the next level that QNT is going to attack if price manages to break above 120. Because the 120 level is the next smaller breakout point, as you can see here, the previous top that was made on Thursday. So you can clearly see that here. We are trying to push higher because if this was already the beginning to the downside, and if the overall wave one was already finished here, then this is pushing too high. So it's unlikely. It actually normally would now push higher, extend higher. And of course not guaranteed and not in a straight line and everything, but if it breaks above that level, the $120 level, then as you can see here, the next meaningful resistance is really the 128 level. Lots of activity there, lots of rejections there, and that happened here in April. So this is going to be an interesting one. As I warned you before, QNT can always extend higher. Even when the move looks complete, it can push higher. That's why I am very careful with highlighting, okay, a top is in. I think a top is nearly in, and I think a pullback is due. And we're going to talk about why. But first of all, we see a bit of an increase in volume, which is good. Which indicate, and we have a possible 5-wave move to the upside, which could really indicate, that the low was in. But it is going to be the first deeper pullback that is going to confirm that to us. Because if in the first deeper pullback, price can hold what I currently highlight as $101.50, but that might move up a little bit if price extend further as well, because these pullback targets, as you can see, they are always calculated based on the last wave. So as soon as wave 1 is complete, we should get a deeper pullback. That is a wave 2. That will happen, that pullback. The question is just when. A wave 1 and especially QNT likes to extend, and a QNT likes to extend a 5th wave as well. So we could really be still in the 5th wave of the first wave. And I think the 128 level is not off the table. I think it is actually quite likely to get there. But at the same time, we're waiting for a pullback. Need to pay close attention to this because we start to see bearish divergences like here on the 4-hour chart. As you can see, price is making higher highs, but the RSI is definitely making lower highs. So that's typically an indication that a pullback is coming. However, it is only an indicator. It doesn't tell you when exactly, and it is not forward looking. It is simply a lagging indicator, and price action always needs to confirm it. Okay, so that's sort of going to happen. We need that 5-wave move up complete to get a pullback, and the deeper pullback, as long as price is holding the 101.50 level, and again that might move higher, a 3rd wave rally can start afterwards, which would be the really bullish FOMO rally. Towards the end of a wave 1, there is still a lot of denial. When we come back in the wave 2, people will say, oh dear, okay, we're going to break it, it will never go up again. That's always what happens. I mean, it's less so on smaller time frames. But this is what I'm watching for now on the QNT chart. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.